Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making sure your wallet doesn't cry itself to sleep at night. Today, we're pitting two titans of the tiny cleaning world against each other. On my left, we have the iRobot Roomba 692, and on my right, the Roomba Q7 Max Plus. It's David versus Goliath, but with less slingshots and more suction. Let's dive in. Let's start with the one thing that determines if you're eating ramen noodles for a month: the price. The Roomba 692 will set you back $269. Not too bad, right? It's like the budget-friendly vacuum that whispers, "I got you, buddy." Now, the Q7 Max Plus? It's a whopping $869. Yeah, you heard me right. This vacuum is basically saying, I hope you like your house cleaned and your wallet empty. If you want it, you'll have to dig deep into those pockets. Maybe even find that old gift card you never used. Next up, let's talk about how these bad boys clean. The Roomba 692 has a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes. It's like that friend who always has a lint roller handy, reliable, and gets the job done. The Q7 Max Plus, though, comes with a powerful 4,200 pascals suction. This thing could probably suck the soul out of your carpet, and it vacuums and mops at the same time. It's like the overachiever in school who did every extra credit assignment and still had time for sports. How smart are these robots? The Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits and lets you start cleaning with your voice. It's basically like having a tiny butler that listens to you. "Alexa, clean my house," and boom, it's done. But the Q7 Max Plus takes it up a notch with Prescience LiDAR navigation, creating precise maps of your home. It's like having a tiny Google Maps inside your vacuum. You can even view your home in 3D. It's the future, folks, and it's cleaning your floors. The Roomba 692 has dirt detect sensors that alert it to dirtier areas. It's like that one friend who always points out when you have something stuck in your teeth. It's helpful, even if it's a little annoying. The Q7 Max Plus doesn't just detect dirt, it practically declares war on it with its upgraded brush system. All rubber, tangle-free, and ready to tackle pet hair like a champ. It's the vacuum equivalent of a personal trainer who won't let you skip leg day. Battery life is crucial. The Roomba 692 gives you a solid 90 minutes before it needs a nap. That's like a decent episode binge on Netflix. The Q7 Max Plus? It runs for up to 180 minutes. You could practically clean the entire neighborhood. It's got the endurance of a marathon runner on a caffeine high. Based on Amazon reviews, the Roomba 692 is praised for its reliability and effectiveness on hardwood floors, especially by pet owners. However, it can struggle with thicker rugs and is a bit noisy. On the other hand, the Q7 Max Plus is celebrated for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and overall convenience despite its higher price tag. Reviewers appreciate its non-random cleaning pattern and long battery life, although its noise level and small dustbin capacity are minor drawbacks. So which one should you get? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable cleaning buddy, the Roomba 692 is your guy. But if you want the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums and don't mind splurging, the Q7 Max Plus is the way to go. Either way, your floors will be cleaner than ever. Let us know in the comments which one you think wins this showdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep those floors clean and those wallets happy. Product links are in the description.